YouTube? What's up, guys? So I am on my way to go put new tires on the wheels I picked up for the car. The Regamasters were nice, but you know, it's always good to change around. So I'm excited to show you guys these new wheels, and hopefully you guys are excited to see it as well. Taking the van, it needs to be dropped off as well because it had its radiator replaced, but now it's got a leak again. I think we should be able to warranty it though, so it should be pretty simple. So I'm going to take you to the shop. I used to work out when I was younger and got me into cars. Swap these tires over, get some new rubber on, and then we'll go mount up the new wheels. And I can show you guys the new setup. Hopefully you like it. And I'll show you what happened to my keyhole in my driveway. Someone tried to break it, so now I have to do some body work. People, huh? Alright, I'll see you guys at the shop. On. Alright, so just got done putting on those tires on the new wheels. Hope you guys like my little b-roll of that stuff. Yeah, I used to work there, so I kind of know how to put on tires. It comes back to me. I haven't done it in years, so a little sketchy, but I still know how to use the machine a little bit. So let's go back, put these on. If you guys do ever need any wheels, tires, alignment, go to Motorsport. They're super cool. That's where they do work, admin, any wheel you want really, bulk, whatever you guys want, Japanese, or I think they do some European stuff too, but I only get Japanese wheels there. So let's go put those wheels on. Let's go see what they look like on the car. Taking off the Regamasters, see if you like the way these look. They're just a spare set. All right, bye. So I got the wheels back home, and I know you're excited to see it, so am I. But surprise, and hopefully you guys are not disappointed, but they're for the FC. I don't know if you've seen it yet. This is my Project FC. Right-hand drive. I imported this one from Japan. Arc 7s are my first passion. Subi's my second. So this one does have Regamasters as well, so I wasn't lying. I'm replacing the Regamasters, just not on the Subi today. These Regamasters fit the Subi as well. They are exactly the same offset as the ones on the Subi, so I'll have two pairs. I'm going to go get one custom powder coated once I figure out what color I want to do. But we're going to replace them with these Work XD9s that I picked up from my buddy. They're staggered, 18 rear, 17 front. And we're going to replace these. These are the VSXs I had custom made a few years back. Well, a long time ago, maybe more than a few years, but I'm not going to run with those anymore. I'm going to run with these for now, just till I figure out with the body kit, rear and front. I'm going to put on clearance issues, stuff like that. We're going to run these for now, since they're just one piece and a little beat up that I got used. I won't care as much about running these, and then until I figure out the right offset. So let's put these on. These should look pretty cool. I don't know why they're always white. Why do I always find white wheels? As people are always getting rid of white wheels. So let's put these on the FC. Alright, so the first one's on front. This is a 9.5, 17 by 9.5 with the 18 offset. I used the existing 245 tire that was on the Regamaster for the front. I'm running 255 in the rear, but it was a 245. This is a 9.5 now with the same offset, 18. And as you can see, it's like Mexi flush right now, but that's okay, because these fenders are leaving. And I'm gonna get 30 mil overs. Well, I already have them. They're in the shed in the back, and I think that will cover that top of the tire perfectly. So this is just for test fit bin issues and stuff like that. I mean, right now, if I cambered them a little more, I technically could run them just to drive around on the street a little bit, but this is just for testing it out. I could still roll around. I don't care if I beat up this fender anymore. Obviously, you can see there's previous marks on it. Don't look so bad though. What do you think? Not too bad for just cruising around. Simple wheels for now. Let's get the back on and see what the back looks like. That's what I'm curious about, because these are 17s and the other ones are staggered. So, but I'm still running a spacer back here, just a 25 mil, because these overs are so much bigger. All right, so the rear is on now too. Let's move this out of the way so you can see the whole picture. A little farther back. All right, now you can see it. So I got the front and rear on now. I took the spacer out in the rear, which is about an inch spacer, 25 mil. But this is a wider wheel, 10.5 versus a 9 that was on here. Same offset though, so it's not much different. As you can see, it does have a huge sunken look still right now compared to the other one with the spacer, but there's not much. So you can see the gap up in there, but I haven't installed the camber rod for the FC yet, which will go underneath. I'll do that next day off I have. You can see, look at this camber. It's horrible. I mean, it's probably like a -5 or 6, and I want to bring that out to like a 2 or a 1, if that, depending how I'm driving the car. And after I bring out that camber, a little more positive, I mean just like 1 or 2 negative, but positive from where it is now, it should fill that, and it should be really straight with the outside of that fender. Because if you look at the bottom of the tire there and the top of the fender there, they're pretty much at the same distance Looks about right. But man, from far away they look so little. But from the back they're huge. Some fat meat's on the ground now. I probably won't even be able to break them loose with the power this puts out right now. Look at that. It looks pretty good. It's not too bad. So hopefully you guys like the FC content. This is now up next because the Subi is semi-done. There's still a lot more to go. I mean, as you know, it's never done, but this has been my pride and joy. FC's rotary. You can't see it, but rotary has always been in my blood from the beginning. That was my first real car I ever hopped up, was an FC, and I still love them. So I picked this guy up. I could do more detailed into this if you guys let me know if you want more content of this, or just stay with the Subi. I'm not too sure, but now I can finally start working on this. It's pretty good. I like the way it looks. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.